Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this delicious cornbread with honey butter glaze. To get started, in a large bowl you are going to add your cornmeal flour. You can use brown or white sugar. I choose to use brown sugar. You're going to add your baking powder. You can also add some cinnamon and nutmeg, whisk together. In another bowl, you are going to beat 3 eggs, some vanilla extract, some buttermilk, melted butter, and make sure all the ingredients, guys, are at room temperature. We're going to whisk together, then pour into your wet ingredients. Make sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You're going to grease your pan. And I happen to have this little loaf pan, nice and cute. And you are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven until it is nice and golden brown. Then you're going to add your honey butter glaze, which is just melted salted butter, some honey, and you can add a touch of cinnamon if you like. I did not add it here. And that's it, guys. Super easy and simple. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. This was also eaten with some delicious homemade chili. You guys know it's really cold, so I had to make me some chili. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.